Let's talk about effect in CapCut. So first of all, open CapCut and open new project, and that's it. For testing effect, we need to import a video file first. For example, I want to pick my one demo shot and I just want to add in this timeline, and I just want to extract the audio and remove that because it will make me to do smooth work. And that's it. I just want to make split and short this footage, and here you can see now it's short. And let's try to use the effect. So here is the effect. I just want to use the effect that you can see. Effect is very cool things because effect can make your video super funny, super engaging. For example, here is the one example. You can see it's pretty cool, right? And sometimes it's make your video eye catchy, but always you have to use right effect for right time. Otherwise, it will look very bored. So this is actually a running bike video. So if I want to use like if I want to use Edge Glow, that you can see it's looking so cloudy. Voice is pretty good, but sometimes you can use this kind of effect, and if you want you can use. So if you expand this video effect, then you will see a list of effect. For example, if you want to hide something, then you can use blur effect. This is the blur effect. And zoom lens. So this kind of effect is pretty good, and this is motion blur. So most of the time I use it when I cross my bike, but it's not good for this footage. That's why I don't want to use motion blur for this one. Also you can see this is one cinematic shot. So actually when you make your video cinematic, then this kind of effect is pretty cool. So for example, this effect is now pretty good, and if I use this footage and with this effect, you can see now it's look like this. It's pretty amazing, right? So and if I decrease the speed of this video, and then it will look very good. And then you can see it's now looking a cinematic video, which is super engaging. And also if I want to use the zoom effect, then I just want to use this mini zoom. So where? Just here. If I add the zoom, then you can see it's now too big, but I want to decrease the effect. So you can control increase and decrease the duration of this effect. Okay, so I just want to make this effect for very short time, and now it's look like this. And also you can use a lot of cinematic effect. So always you need to think about your footage, you need to think about your video and what kind of output you want to get. So if you so you can see this is the flash vibration. So that's mean sometime you can make your video super funny. So this is actually the quick overview of effect. Like here you will get a lot of effect here. Voice is very good, and always I try to use effect that are coming from in CapCut. And if you use the CapCut Pro version, you will get more effect. Voice will be looking more good. But for free, it's not also bad. So if I want to show you something like the training, one thing that I want to mention to you, which is will be useful for you, which is if you like this effect is very important for you and you want to use this effect again and again, then you can use favorite. Like just click on the start sign and then start will be yellow, and now you can easily browse that effect in your favorite section. For example, I make some like 4 effect that I always most of the time use, which is cinematic, and this one which is sometime makes my video so crazy, like I may sometime I edit a cinematic video, so this item lighting sky sign make my video easier. And sometime I use my video motion blur and also blur. So if I like blur is important, like when I need to give some information, like I just want to like cinematic footage I want to keep from beginning and it's look like this, and now I want to give some information, and just I use motion blur here, and you can see you can increase or decrease the motion blur. So I just use this one, and if I want to add text on here, you can see I use my name here like Nasim. Okay, and I want to use lemon milk blog, and if I want to add here, and if I want to like increase the blur, and you can see if I want to use the templates and animation with this text as well. So for this video I just want to use this one, like I just want to decrease the duration like this to this. So this is an example. You can use all kind of effect from here, which is pretty good. So you should always test all the effect and you should find the exact perfect effect for your video. So that's it guys, hope you should use the effect from here. If you found this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up, and if you want to see more video from me, then consider subscribing to this channel, because it will help me to continue working on this channel. My name is Nasim and I will see you on the next video. Till then, bye. Have a good day.